Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is a Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now viewers and subscribers, there's reports out there that the female dancer that is known as Momo had been receiving countless death threats because of the incident that had happened where it is said that the female that is known as Bumpa had lost her life at a party, and I'm talking about the incident where it is said that, somewhat of a fatal stunt dancing incident or fatal acrobatic stunt dancing incident, and the female that is known as Bumpa had broke her neck, and as a result of that, the female had died. Alright? Now viewers and subscribers, the female dancer that is known as Momo talked with CVM, and I have a few pieces of videos that I'm going to put together that is going to show of the female dancer that is known as Momo, and she's talking about the incident that had happened and other things as well. Alright? So take a look, listen and observe.
You guys see the video, and the video is an accident. I didn't mean to intentionally hurt her, and I just want to say to the family that I'm sorry for the cost of their daughter's life. I feel down, couple days I not eat, come here and say why people that do that, I'm going to give me a statement. Because them not see me or whatsoever, why them I do it? Because I don't see the sense of doing it. Come I go give me a statement. I give me a statement at the Falmouth police station and then fax it to the Lucy police station. So I don't know why people that say me most wanted and wanted out them if going to give me a statement. I'm living in fear because I don't know who and who is out there and who is planning to hurt me. So maybe just stay on a low profile until I heard everything is cleared up.
Now viewers and subscribers, based on my understanding as to what has been said in reports out there about this whole incident, is that the female that is known as Momo is asking members of the public to stop circulating fake news or stop spreading fake news or rumors about the incident. Alright? And based on what I understand as to what has been said in reports out there, is that the female that is known as Momo would like to show her last or final respect to the female that is known as Bumpa that had lost her life at a party. But however, it is said that the female that is known as Momo fear what might happen. And for those who might not understand as to what this incident or what this whole issue here is about, it's about a female dancer that is known as Bumpa that had lost her life at a party, when it is said that the female dancer that is known as Bumpa was on top of her head while her feet is in the air, and the female dancer that is known as Momo was attempting to jump over the female that is known as Bumpa. But however, something went wrong and the female dancer that is known as Momo landed on top of the female that is known as Bumpa and broke her neck. Alright, and as a result of that, she had lost her life. Alright. Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. Alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.